Hi everyone, TLCMKT.com here with another dashcam video. This one comes to us from Midtown, where the driver's visual awareness and reaction time may have prevented this occurrence from happening. As we take a look at this, you will see our driver here switch lanes to his right, but also the driver in the silver vehicle ahead changes lanes as well. As you can see, he appears to be in disbelief. The silver vehicle abruptly changes lanes, stopping short due to the third vehicle in the front. It doesn't appear to be that hard of an impact, but it appears the driver may have had a late reaction time for whatever reason. This was the damage done to the front end of the car. There were no injuries at the scene, a police report was filed, and unfortunately for our driver here, the insurance company found him at fault. Obviously, in hindsight, the better option for our driver would have been to ease up off of the accelerator and get into defensive mode after seeing an aggressive move like that. That split second was what made all the difference here. Be safe out there, everyone. Are you a TLC driver who has dashcam footage that you want to share? Reach out to us at info@tlcmkt.com. Every video sent to us that receives 1,000 views in the first 15 days will receive a $50 gas card. Don't forget to hit that like button and click to subscribe for more videos like this.